Hello, my name's Dick Crabb, and over lockdown I've been helping Dave Johnson, Don Main, Tom White and others to present a series of tutorials on CAD. In my last little bite-sized recap, I created a chair in 3D and turned it into a block. I'm now going to insert that block. I've created a layer called Production Classroom Seating. I'm going to insert the block that I created, seat 3-dimension 500mm, and I'm going to put it in the drawing. In the bottom left hand corner you can see we edited some attributes for it. And with those attributes you can create some values, which is going to be terribly useful. So those values, you don't see them on the plan because we made them hidden values so that it didn't clutter up the plan, but if you click on the symbol itself, there it comes up. Before we do the export, I'm just going to show you one lovely thing. Modify. In DraftSide it's called a pattern. AutoCAD, I believe it's an array. So we're going to select the chair. Let's have 10 rows each with 7 chairs in them. We're going to space the chairs tight together so they're going to be 500. We're going to give it a little bit of an aisle, between a gangway between each chair, and there we go. So we've got some seats. Now AutoCAD has a count function. DraftSide doesn't seem to, not explicitly, but select matching, click on it, and it's telling me there are 70 of them. Now, the bit that I got terribly excited about is exporting these attributes. DraftSide, it's a catchy little title. You may have to search for it. I can never remember it, so I've copied and pasted. Block attribute output. And I'm going to put it into, I'm going to overwrite the test file I did earlier with those values. Now then, let's try and, oh come on, where's my, let's pull Excel up, and then we're going to go data from text CSV. At the moment it's just a straight text file, there it is, and it'll have a little think about it. There's the stuff we've exported, so this is an export from the CAD program, and it's now in Excel in a data format. You can put a total at the bottom. You can see it's 71, but that's because we've got the supplier name, so we do a little filter and click out, go down, and that's our way of exporting it to a spreadsheet that we can use to talk to a supplier.